two top animation tools, Vyond and VideoScribe. Both promise amazing explainer videos, but which one truly stands out in 2025? On the left, Vyond, offering animated video creation for pros. On the right, VideoScribe, known for simple whiteboard and explainer videos. Let's skip the marketing hype and get straight into real-life pros, cons, and what actually matters. Each feature earns points. By the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top in the showdown. The final result may surprise you. Before we dive in, let's look at the categories we'll be comparing, so you know exactly what's up. We'll cover price and licensing, styles and templates, ease of use and workflow, voiceover and audio, import and export, customer support and community, offline and collaboration, and of course, what actual users think, user ratings and satisfaction. Starting with price and licensing. Okay, so Vyond gives you a 14-day free trial, which, let me tell you, sounds pretty sweet, but hold up. As soon as you check the plans, you'll notice it's not exactly budget-friendly, especially if you're flying solo or have a small team. Those prices add up fast. Plus, if you want reseller rights just for one video, there's an extra fee of $99. You want unlimited rights? That's a whopping $2,000 per user per year. I know, wild. But hey, you do get a ton of features once you're in at the higher tiers. Now, VideoScribe gives you a 7-day free trial and is definitely lighter on the wallet. All plans let you make as many videos as you want. No annoying limits. Obviously, if you only need basic features, you'll notice they leave out some fancy stuff. Still, for most creators on a budget, that's hard to beat, right? So, subtle drumroll. VideoScribe is the winner here for its affordability. Now, let's talk styles and templates. Vyond is where things get pretty impressive. Hundreds of slick, modern templates, loads of characters, even AI-powered scenes, and, oh, avatars that actually lip-sync and speak. There's a mobile app, too, if you want fast edits on the go. My only gripe, if you're all about that classic whiteboard feel, it's going to feel more like an animated cartoon than a hand-drawn explainer. VideoScribe, on the other hand, is basically the king of whiteboard. Like thousands of hand-drawn templates, graphics, the whole draw-while-you-watch effect, which looks awesome for explainer videos and education. There are 10,000 plus stock assets, so you're not running out anytime soon. But yeah, you won't find that slick, modern animation edge. Just pure whiteboard. If you want punchy, animated options, Vyond wins this round for sheer diversity and impressive tech features. Next up, ease of use and workflow. Vyond gives you a drag-and-drop editor that's so chill to use. Super straightforward. And honestly, the AI helps speed things up. Collaboration? Yep, works for teams right inside the cloud. But if you find yourself working somewhere without the internet, Vyond is useless. Total deal breaker for some. VideoScribe, however, throws it back. You get that simple timeline, offline or online, record your voice, add visuals, and you're good to go. Not the best if you want your team jumping in live, but for solo creators or educators who love simplicity, it really delivers. Honestly, both are easy for beginners. So, verdict, this one's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you actually know Vyond can create a whole video for you from just a PDF or PowerPoint file using AI? Like, just upload and watch it build. That's pretty wild, and kind of a time saver if you ask me. On to voiceover and audio. Vyond, oh man, really brings the goods if you're doing pro voiceovers. Record directly, use advanced text-to-speech, get that slick lip-syncing right in the video. But yeah, most of those high-end features locked behind premium plans. VideoScribe keeps it simple. Record voiceovers with a few clicks, add basic audio, and done. There's no advanced lip-sync stuff though. It's good, just not as sexy. So if you want your characters talking with those perfect mouth movements, hands down, Vyond is the winner. Let's chat import and export. With Vyond, you can bring in images, audio, even some video clips. But here's the catch. If you want to export your video in glorious 4K, that's reserved for the priciest plan. VideoScribe lets you chuck in media in all sorts of formats and export in plenty of ways. But sad face, you won't be getting 4K output here either. Honestly, kind of frustrating for both if you're all about crystal clear videos. So we have to call it a draw for this round. Moving on. Customer support and community. Here's where Vyond pulls ahead if you're all about getting help fast. On their higher plans, you get live chat support, sort of like having tech support at your beck and call. Plus, their help center and tutorials are solid. The catch? You gotta pay up for the fancy stuff. Live chat hides behind those expensive plans. VideoScribe's support is more basic, just email. And yeah, their user forums are pretty active, but no live chat or urgent help. So Vyond snags this one for having way more support options, if you can afford them. Offline and collaboration. This category is honestly a biggie for a lot of folks. Vyond lets you collaborate in real time, right from the browser, which is awesome for teams. But seriously, if your Wi-Fi is sketchy, you're dead in the water. No offline mode at all. VideoScribe? Yep, it works offline. Anytime. Create, edit, whether you're in a coffee shop with spotty internet or just don't want to be chained to the cloud. The downside is no live team collaboration, but for most solo makers, that's fine. I mean, the flexibility to work anywhere, big win. So, VideoScribe takes this round. Last up, user ratings and satisfaction. Vyond generally gets crazy good reviews for businesses and anyone doing pro video work. People love the customization and features. Downside, everyone gripes about the price. VideoScribe racks up great reviews for being crazy easy to use and affordable, especially for teachers and educators. Some folks say it's just a bit too basic for their needs though. Overall, for depth and features, Vyond scores slightly higher, so Vyond wins the fan vote. If you're visual, like me, picture this. Vyond leads when it comes to advanced animation features, customization, support, and ratings. VideoScribe dominates on price, offline access, and classic whiteboard simplicity. Depending on what matters most to you, you'll see the winners shift on this chart. So, bottom line, if you want those rich animated videos, need pro features, or have a team to collaborate with, Vyond is kind of unbeatable, though it does hit your wallet. But if you just want a killer whiteboard effect, work solo or as a teacher, and love working offline, plus, saving dollars never hurts. VideoScribe is hard to beat for simple explainer videos. Either way, these are top choices for different reasons. Pick what matches your style and workflow. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.